Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add ICE Open Network cryptocurrencies BNB Smart Chain contract address on your OKX wallet. So first of all, let's copy the contract address and have it there. Now, you want to go ahead and click on Wallet on OKX and click on Dashboard. After this, you will see the summary. You want to go ahead and click on Crypto. Now, once you are here, as you can see, there are all networks. So you want to go ahead and choose BNB Smart Chain. So we would see just those coins which are on BNB Smart Chain. Now, you want to click Manage Crypto. And after it will load up, you want to go ahead and add this custom contact address. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste the ICE address here and click the plus sign. Now let's close it, and here you have it now. Here's your ICE BNB Smart Chain address added to your OKX wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.